In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and upgrade your current Google storage plan. Whether you're running low on storage space or planning to store more data in the future, upgrading your Google storage can be a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together so you can manage your storage needs effectively. First, you'll want to check your current storage usage. Head over to Google Storage by opening your preferred browser. Once the page loads, sign in using your Google account credentials. This is the same account where you're currently using or planning to use your storage. After signing in, the page will display a breakdown of how much storage you're currently using across all Google services. It's a handy visual that helps you understand how much space is being taken up by your emails, Google Drive files, and photos. Knowing how much space you're currently using can help you decide whether you need to upgrade at all. Next, let's explore your options for getting more storage. You'll want to visit Google One, which is Google's hub for managing storage and subscriptions. Once you're there, look for the option to get more storage. This will present you with a variety of plans tailored to different needs. For instance, there's a 100 GB plan that's quite suitable for personal use. If you run a small business from home, or like sharing storage with your family, the 200 GB plan might be a better fit. And if you're someone managing large files, whether for business, content creation, or other high demand tasks, you might consider options starting from 2 TB and going up from there. What's convenient is that these plans can be shared with up to 5 family members, making it a practical choice for family groups who want shared access to space without individual subscriptions. Once you've decided on the plan that best fits your needs, you need to select your preferred payment method. Google offers the flexibility of paying via credit or debit card, PayPal, and in some cases, other local payment methods like Gcash. Depending on your country, this range of options makes it easier to choose one that works best for your financial situation. Finally, after selecting your storage plan and payment method, you're almost there. Click on the subscribe button to initiate the purchase. You'll be prompted to enter your payment details and then confirm the payment. As soon as the payment is processed, you'll notice that your storage updates instantly. It's that simple. With your new storage in place, you can continue using Google services without running into annoying storage limits. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough to checking and upgrading your Google storage efficiently. This process ensures you have enough room to keep things running smoothly and accessibly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.